Hey, have you ever considered creating your very own YouTube channel and you can share your knowledge about AI or your ideas, even share your AI works? And don't forget, on YouTube platform, we also have shorts where you can create short videos just like TikTok. That's right, what I'm telling you is that you can be an influencer right now. And today we're going to show you how to become a YouTuber with the power of AI. We're using MimicPC. MimicPC is my best friend in order to create a YouTube channel. We don't need to purchase a very expensive device to run different AIs because some AIs require a very strict environment. Some AI doesn't support MacBook, and some AI requires the power of calculate of our computer. And sometimes we don't have enough budget to purchase a very expensive computer, right? But in MimicPC, you can run virtual computer. So that's why they call it a MimicPC, right? You can seamlessly running vlogs and WebUI, ComfyUI, even DeepSeek, ChatTTS, and anything you name it. It's basically the blacklist of all the powerful AI on Earth. With those powerful AI, there's nothing we cannot create. Basically, we're hired our army of the AI. In fact, the price is very affordable for MimicPC. Not to mention, we have many free AI tools we can use for free. And for the calculate credits, and it's really cheap. So in my view, this is the best way to operate all kinds of the AIs at the same time at the cheapest price. It's very suitable for individuals just like us. In order to create a YouTube channel, we need to go to the youtube.com. You can click the create a YouTube channel. After that, you will be landing this what we call the YouTube Studio. I'm going to teach you how to create a faceless YouTube channel step by step. So first, we might need an idea about what is our channel is about, how it looks, and what kind of the content are we uploading. Click the free launch, and this is the dashboard of MimicPC. And here we can click the add a new app. We will be landing this screen with all of the AIs. In fact, I'm looking for a chatbot so that we can talk about our plan. So let's click here. So we have a chatbot Ollama and Ollama WebUI. So let's use chatbot Ollama. Click the Start app. Here, we are able to select a different version. And here, we are going to launch it only for half hour. And let's click the Create and Start. Now MimicPC is preparing our virtual computer. Great, now we can chat with Ollama. Let's type hello for test. Okay, it works, right? Let's ask a YouTuber plan. Wow, that's so cool. Let's check it out one by another. So first, I asked about the name of the channel. For the content, Ollama suggests us to upload short films and also consider collaborating with other creators or inviting guest speakers to add variety and fresh perspectives to your channel. Cool. Oh, we have our business plan for our channel. Our faceless AI-powered YouTube channel will offer our original sauce and content and explores of the technology, creativity, and society. Also, we have a marketing strategy and a financial plan. Well, pretty cool. I want to go with the AI gems, so I ask AI to rethink everything. So we have a new plan now are generating. So now I'm asking Ollama to write the introduction and profile image guide. So for example, I'm naming it as AI Gems. And for the description, Ollama gives us an example, so we can use. Pretty nice, right? And we can add different language. And what about the profile image? Can MimicPC help us to generate an image? Of course. Let's use an easy one. See, we have a label as a easy, hard, normal, and Fooocus is the most easy tools that you can find to generate an image. Click the Get Started and repeat and we can click create and start. And for the Ollama, we are going to pause it. So click the stop, click yes. So because when the virtual PC is on, it will charge us with a certain numbers of the credits. So we can stop it and open a new one, save some credits, right? And here we can type our prompt. I'm going with the, and click the generate. Lovely. Which one do you prefer? I think I like this one. So we can click here and save the image. Well, this is just one way to create an image. So let's try another one. Let's click the stop. Let's try to use WebUI. Okay, now we got ourselves with a virtual stable diffusion, totally online. You don't need to purchase very expensive device anymore. And we can write our prompt, or we can generate an image based on another image. And let's try to write. Okay, and click here to change the checkpoint. Maybe we need to tweak the size. Okay, let's run the first image. Okay, we have our result, and it's a little bit scary. So we can add a smile. Maybe we can change the checkpoint model so that we can get another style. Let's use this one. Okay, everyone, we have our results. I love it. We can click this button to get the upscaled version. I think I'm gonna go with this one. What do you think? Let's save this image first. And maybe let me add another instruction, 3D. So let's try another one. Okay, and let's upscale it. Yeah, so this one's more like the 3D vibes. Okay, let's save it. And let's back to YouTube Studio and change our picture. Okay, I'm set with this one. Click the down and publish it. And also, we need a banner image. And this banner image has particular aspect ratios. Okay, so let's generate by using WebUI. And let's type and click the generate. All right, let's save it and upload here. So YouTube have this very interesting responsive design. So on TV, user will see the whole image, and on different device, will see certain portions. Okay, click the down. If you're satisfied with it, and go to publish it. And now this is our channel looks like. We have a banner, we have introductions that read by AI. And also we have descriptions totally by AI. Okay, now we got our channel, but we don't have any video yet. So in order to make a very popular video to attract the people to visit, we need to find out what is the hot topic recently. And also, if you click here, find the YouTube Studio. And when you click the Earn tab, you will find that requirement for you to achieve. After that, you can get benefit from YouTube, which means if you have enough views, you will get paid by YouTube. Are you ready to get paid by YouTube? So let's find what is hot topic recently. In order to do that, let's search in Google Trends. This is the homepage of the Google Trends, where you can find the trending informations and what people are digging about. So let's search, for example, like AI. So we can find the data of the certain keywords. So we can also find the region informations and the related topics. And also you can add the compare keywords. Let's type ChatGPT versus DeepSeek. And also let's add Grok. And we can find what is the best topic for our first video, right? After my research, I find the DeepSeek is a really hot topic recently, and we can do a video to cover the DeepSeek, but use faceless YouTube channel. And then I need a script about the DeepSeek, right? DeepSeek is one of the trending AI models nowadays. It's already open sourced, so which means you can use it locally or you can deploy it in your server. Anyway, it's a very interesting model. So we need a script. So how can we get a script? Let's back to MimicPC and let's click the add the new app and find the chatbot. And here we already tried chatbot Ollama, right? So now let's try Ollama WebUI. Click the start app. So here is Ollama WebUI. Click here to select a model. I know you can select Llama, but we have DeepSeek. So we have 4 different versions. Let's use the best one. Okay, our DeepSeek's response with a message. And let's ask for a YouTube script. See, we already have the process of syncing, and also we have very detailed script for our first video for our YouTube. This is very thoughtful because we have intro, and also we have different parts to cover how to run DeepSeek. And we have different parts to introduce how to run in DeepSeek in your personal computer. We have outro and everything very detailed. Even for a beginner of YouTube, I think you can manage it with such a detailed script. But what if I don't want to use my voice? I know some people are very shy, very introvert. Maybe someone just like us, we don't want to show our face, or we don't want to show, or even we don't want to show our voice, and how to use a AI to generate voice. Let's back to the home, and we have audio generation. Let's try Chat TTS and click the Start app. Okay, now we are in the interface of the Chat TTS WebUI. And this is very easy to use. Basically, you just find the content, for example, like the intro, and paste it here. And if you have time, you can even upload your audio, and you can tweak the voice here. Or you can click this dice to roll a dice, and click the Generate. Okay, we have our video generated. Let's click the play.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Voyage, your channel name and tells. Today we're diving into a super powerful tool called DeepSeek.
Okay, but I want something very different. So let's roll the dice and click the generate again. Refreshing and click the play.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Channel Name and Society. Today we're diving into a super powerful tool called DeepSeek, which is revolutionizing how we search for and organize information.
You can download this voice by click this button, and then you can go back to MimicPC. You can find AI that can help you with a face web, or you can generate a video. Maybe start from some images generation, and after that you can mix all stuff together to generate your first video, and go back to your YouTube channel, click create and click upload videos, and upload your video. And then when you reach the requirements and your video will make money for you, you can earn money by long videos, short videos, and even a membership. And that, my friend, is how to start a profitable YouTube channel with AI. And we own a big thanks to MimicPC and its amazing AIs. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment zone, and don't forget to subscribe me, and also check MimicPC by yourself. I think you will fall in love with MimicPC. Okay, so much for today. I hope you like it. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.